welcome to a new video. I was trying to update all my testing phones, starting from iPhone 8 all the way to 13 Pro Max, and a few phones ran into problem while updating to iOS 16. Especially the iPhone 11, it gave me the most problems. So I'm gonna discuss like what the issues I faced. If you ran into one of these problems, please let me know in the comments. So first of all, it was stuck for hours at this screen showing that preparing update, which is unusual because even XS Max and the iPhone 8 Plus, they updated before iPhone 11. So there was definitely something wrong. So I had to do few things to get it going. And the first thing I checked was the iPhone storage, and I had more than enough free space. I know the software is 9 to 10 GB, but I had enough space, so that was not the issue. So after struggling with it for 30 minutes, I ended up trying different things like resetting all the settings. I checked the Wi-Fi connection, and delete the old update and started all over. I did a hard reset by pressing volume up and volume down button and holding the power button, and eventually I pulled it through. I updated to latest iOS 16, but even after that it still gave me few issues. Like, it was showing that I have a voicemail here, even though at that time I didn't have any SIM in there, and there was no data in the phone, and it was showing I have a voicemail, and that was a glitch. And then it was showing an undelivered text message. That was the second glitch I faced after the update. And also, like, Apple is having this issue for a while now. When you go into iPhone storage, it was not loading these breakdowns with the colorful apps, iOS photos, messages, like what's taking the space in my phone. But eventually that got solved as well, by itself. But one thing I didn't understand, that like in this iPhone, it's showing the battery percentage, as you can see here at the top. And to enable it, I have to go to settings and battery, and then I can enable it from here, or I can disable it. But once I go in iPhone 11 settings and go in battery, I don't even have that option. And mind you, it's running on iOS 16, as I just showed you in the beginning. If you go to general, about, and it's running on iOS 16, but this does not have option to turn on the percentage, which is weird. So along with the iPhone 11, my XR also did not show the percentage button, and same thing with 12 mini and 13 mini, which is understandable because 12 mini and 13 mini, they have smaller screens, but 11 has bigger screens, so there should be no issue. So I started digging in, and after doing some research, I found out that Apple already released new beta 16.1, and in that beta this problem has been solved. So I haven't updated to that beta version yet, but once I update, I'll be making another video to show you that if the battery percentage is showing now or not. And along with that, other few glitches, and I'll be testing this device along with my other devices, and wait for the next video after I update the software, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.